adnabod y wasg yma, ac dyn ni'n sylweddoli bod canlyniad Dydd Gwener wedi bod yn hynod o bwysig yn hanes y gwlad ni. Ac dyn ni'n gwybod bod o'n wedi bod yn fuddugoliaeth ac yn ganlyniad pwysig iawn i Plaid Cymru ac yn ogystal wrth gwrs i Gymru. Decisive victory last Friday, as declared, was the culmination of years of hard work campaigning to make the referendum happen, and obviously months of frenetic campaigning right across the country. Last Thursday, however, was proof, if proof were needed, that in becoming a party of government, we have taken the people of Wales with us. And I would say that we've created a new Welsh agenda, and of course we have. But for Plaid, Friday's vote doesn't as much mark the end of a campaign, but more the beginning of a new era for Welsh devolution, the decade now where we need to deliver. Wales voted yes for a better Wales, and today begins Plaid's campaign to ensure that we deliver a better Wales following the next Assembly election. And today our Welsh National Election campaign well and truly gets underway under the banner Plaid for a better Wales, which will be obviously our slogan in the election. Nerys and I are here today to set out Plaid's priorities for the election, and as we speak, the first quarter of 1 million copies of our national newspaper have been printed and distributed to teams across Wales. The newspaper, which is entitled For a Better Wales, explains Plaid's key priorities for the coming election. I may for a moment then look at the context of this Welsh National General Election. It's been held clearly now at a time of great confidence following the yes vote last Thursday. And unlike the last Westminster election, this will be contested in a Welsh context. And it is in this context that we'll be able to reach out to every voter in Wales with a unique message that only Plaid can state. The Plaid is the only party with its focus solely on creating and delivering a better Wales, raising the expectations, if you like, of the people and meeting those expectations as a party. We've already seen clear signs of the other party's intentions to continue with that sort of Westminster-style politics, using the national election in Wales as if it's part of a wider political game. That's not what we are about. Our campaign will be about getting on with the job of running Wales effectively, improving our education system, and making sure that our economy prospers in the challenging years ahead. Starting today, we've had no rest at all, have we, Nerys? Starting today, we're back out campaigning right across Wales, telling people how the coming election is their chance to realise the ambition they expressed in last week's referendum. Now that we've got the stronger assembly, the priority for the coming years must be using that to its full potential. As I said on Friday,